Greetings and salutations to everybody. You tune into MS Live on MS24GH. I go by name Mac Moulton, twice the ice, nice as ice. We're going to have interesting conversation on the show today. We're going for a quick breather. When we come back, we kick off with the show. What's up, everybody? I go by the name Mac Moulton, twice the ice, nice as ice, and we're going to have a great conversation on the show today. I already have my guests in the studio. Hello, how are you guys doing?
Doing right.
Yeah, I have Mr. Posh with me, and I have the CEO of Portions Garden, Mr. Michael, and I have Mr. Posh here with me. I mean, last week it was an interesting conversation. Sorry, last month the show was very interesting. Kofi Kinata passed through, and I really enjoyed myself. I was there, and I had fun myself. And this next week too, we're going to have an interesting show that we are expecting. But let me give a little bit details information about the show which is going to happen next week. So, Portions Garden presents Kwabena Kwabena Live. Ladies man Kwabena Kwabena is bringing out his energetic performance and your favorite high life love artist with his romantic song on the Boxing Day, 26th of December, happening at Portions Garden located inside Jolu. Last chance. Time of the event is 7 p.m. with red carpet tickets to the event, regular 100 cedis. VIP fan stand is 200 cedis. For table reservations, you can contact 026335666, 020869228. Table for two, 1K, 1,000 Ghana cedis. Table for two is 2K. Table for six, 3K. Table for eight, 6K. Table for 10 is 10K. Portions event. It's going to be an interesting one. Welcome back to the studio, and we are going to have interesting conversation. Mr. Michael and Mr. Posh, how are you guys feeling?
We're feeling
all right. Yep.
Yeah, very interesting. Last month the event. Pardon me for that. Last month the event was very, very crazy. It was absolutely amazing. Kofi Kinata came through and put out this an amazing performance. How was the experience like for you people? Bringing Kofi Kinata on board to give you this amazing and absolute performance.
It was amazing, as expected. Kofi Kinata is a big art, so we actually expected to have a great show, and it happened that way, and we're excited about it. So yeah.
Interesting. So this time around, you guys bring in Kwabena Kwabena. Why have you decided to put, let me say, high life artists? Decided to make sure this time around it's all going to be high life artists. What's the difference between this time around?
This time around, we put Kwabena Kwabena there because not just because he's a high life artist, but you know what? Based on the feedback we got and the experience we had at Kofi's show, we realized that a lot of ladies love the high life, and especially the romantic high life. And which other person does that is if not Kwabena Kwabena. So we had to call up for him to come through for the Christmas vibe, to come bless us at Portions Garden.
Okay, Mr. Michael, what's the initiative of this event? Trying to put prolific or A-list artists on board to be part of Portions Garden and for the consumers to have fun and enjoy this.
Well, it is something that I decided to do each and every month, every last Saturday of every month. I intend to play live music at Jolu neighborhood. And then again, it's not really about high life artists. The door is open for everybody. Whether you are high life or whatever, you can come and then perform live. So we're creating the opportunity for even the upcoming artists who can come and play, do whatever they want to do, and then showcase whatever they have. So Portion is like we open a platform for the young ones, and then the old ones to come and then show what they've got. Yes, we are using. We use Kofi Kinata being the first artist of Portion's Artist Night, and then we are going to use again Kwabena Kwabena to perform during the Christmas period. That we tend to play
Kevin.
Kevin next January, and then you continue like that. So it's something that we plan doing each and every month. Yeah.
Okay, that's very interesting. But I want us to get back to the last event, which happened with Kofi Kinata's own.
Yep.
How was the sellout? How was security? How was things put together? Can you brief us a little bit about it?
It was okay. In fact, I'm very happy about the turnout. We received over 500 people, which I'm very, very happy of. You know, the sales was okay, everything was okay. The bounce, everybody, excellent job. And again, your station here also, they really, really support us. In fact, I'm very, very happy about that. And I intend to continue every Saturday, every last Saturday of each month.
Okay.
Yeah.
So was it hard getting Kofi Kinata on board to be part? I mean, Ghanaian artists at times, it's very complicated to get this A-list artist to be part of the event. Was it very difficult for you guys to get Kofi Kinata on board? I mean, to show up, to wow the fans, give us absolute amazing performance. I was there myself. We were there to take coverage, but it wasn't able to happen because the security was very, very tight. How was it getting Kofi Kinata on board?
It wasn't that difficult. It wasn't that difficult. It's just
really?
like, yeah, no, it wasn't. We just, all we need to do to go through the right channel,
Okay.
go a hold of him, his management team,
Okay.
and then we strike a deal.
Okay.
Yeah,
With
it
Kofi
wasn't
Kinata.
that difficult, if I may say, business. Yeah, we
Okay.
called a team and then said, let's do business.
Okay.
Just like what we did with Kwabena Kwabena, and then we're going to continue doing that.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's very, very interesting. I mean, to get an A-list artist on board. I mean, I think things were well put together. I was there myself to witness the whole event. Everything was well put together. I mean, Kofi Kinata giving us an amazing performance that very day. I mean, giving us back-to-back hits. And I can see the crowd was really cheering up to see Kofi Kinata doing his thing on stage and everything. And as you're saying, like it was sold out. I can see a lot of people were there. They were really enjoying themselves. They wanted to take pictures with Kofi Kinata. And we couldn't even get access to grant Kofi Kinata's interview that very day. So let's get back to Kwabena Kwabena. What should consumers look out for?
What we gonna do? If I let me say sorry for the Kofi Kinata one, as you guys couldn't get a chance to interview him and all that. I think this time around, we had a meeting with Kwabena Kwabena team, and we were like, okay, fine, no problem. When the media people around, they can have chance to speak with him. So I think it's gonna be fine this time around. Yeah,
Okay.
you're gonna have access to him. Yeah.
Okay. So, Mr. Portion, I mean, that very day, a lot of events is taking place. I mean, Promised Land is happening, couple of events is happening, a lot of owners are trying to come up with their A game. Portions Garden 20Cs, bringing Kwabena Kwabena. What is it going to be like?
It's going to be amazing because first thing first, at Portions Garden, you know, our clientele is very refined. You know, we just don't seek out for any clientele. We seek out for the right clientele, and we watch our clientele and we pick the artists to fit in our clientele, and that's part of the reason why we chose Kwabena Kwabena. You know. Aside aside Kwabena show, which is happening on the 26th, we have other events, lineup of activities happening this Christmas. Like on the 24th, we have a live band event on the 24th. Yeah, so we have Portions International Band. Yeah, so we'll be playing on the 24th. It's an open house. People can come in. On the 26th, which is Kwabena, that's the paid event. That's a special event for us because, you know, our fan base, our clientele really resonates with him as well. You know, just like they resonate with Kofi Kinata. Like you said, you saw how they reacted to
the turnout.
Yeah, to him. Okay. So that's the same thing that's going to happen this time around. Aside this lineup of events for 24, 26, other days activities keep going. Today, being Thursday, we have karaoke. Every Thursday, Friday, we have the live band. Saturday, Hills and Bottles. So these are weekly activities aside the major events which we have on the 24th and the 26th. So it's going to be nothing short but like, you know, amazing experience.
That means the place is fully packed. We are going to turn up to show support. But one thing I want to ask is, why Kwabena Kwabena? I mean, there are a lot of artists, there are a lot of better artists, good artists. Kwabena Kwabena is a great artist, no doubt. But why Kwabena Kwabena? We want to know why Kwabena Kwabena.
Kwabena Kwabena, I would say, you know what, like I said, our clientele are refined. So I could actually give a story of how Kwabena, passed by the lounge, and he saw how amazing it was and how the setup and everything was. And he picked interest in the place. And that's how it came about with wanting him to play on the 26th. So he fell in love with the place as well. We didn't only just go seek out for him. He was actually present, saw the setup of the place, and he fell in love. And we said, okay, let's do business. So that's how it came about.
Okay. That's very, very, very interesting. Earlier on, Mr. Michael, you were saying that next one you're going to bring Kelvin Boy. Are you planning to make sure this initiative stays, that every month, or let me say every 2 months, you're going to bring a A-list artist or a big artist to come to Portions Garden to stay? Is there any initiative?
Well, Portions is designed, basically. I was thinking of how to promote these younger upcoming artists. That is why I created a stage. In our way, we can see them performing live. That okay, we can see how talented they are, and then we can be able to do what sponsor them.
Okay.
Yes, it's also on board. So we decided to play these big ones first, to create the chance for the other young ones to come on board. So what we're doing is that after Kevin Boy, we will be moving down to the young ones to come on board as well. So alongside probably when we reach the first quarter of the year, we'll roll in some young upcoming artists. Yes, for us to see what they've got. You understand what I'm saying? We can't rely on the bigger ones all the time. So the plan is that we're going to mix the upcoming ones as well, so that we can be able to see if we can support them.
Okay. I think it's a great initiative. Promoting all these Ghanaian artists, bringing them on board to be at Portions Garden, to perform for the consumers, to love everything you guys do. But I want to ask, what's the motive? Is it to throw more light on Portions Garden, or to serve as a cash cow for you guys to earn a lot of money? We just want to know. We want to juggle. We want to know the main goal for that.
Well, it's not really about money making alone. Portion is designed for everybody. As you can see, it's a hotel and at the same time restaurant. I've got a nightclub there as well before the garden. So it's something that I have there for some time now. And the garden is great. As I said, the garden is created just to support these young coming artists to play and also to do some more events over there. So it's like it's all in one. Everything is there. So come and perform live, and then we do the clubbing as well. We do the hotel as well. We do the restaurant as well. So everything is there. It is there for everybody. Even Max 24 can come there and do your own event. It's there for everybody. Yeah. Honestly.
So let's talk about the price. 100 CDs and 200 CDs. Why do you decide to take this amount? Because Kwabena Kwabena is a big artist. Taking this money, to me, I see it to be peanut. So why did you decide to go with this amount of money?
Well, we can't charge more than that because we all know what is happening in Ghana, and it's difficult to make money off it. So what we do, we just want to make it basic for everybody. Just come and enjoy the Christmas with us. We don't really want to charge people too much and they can't afford it. So we make it so basic so that everybody can have the chance to meet up with Kwabena Kwabena one-on-one for the first time. Yeah.
So I was there last time to enjoy the event with Kofi Kinata. With the ticket price, with 100 CDs, 200 CDs, what's the difference? We want to understand, what's the difference between them?
Yeah, the difference is that if you look at it, 250 people, they were closer to Kofi Kinata. That is a fan zone. So the 250 allows you to go a bit further, to have one-on-one with him. Okay. Then the 151 are behind. So if you want to move further, you have to buy a table. And that day, everywhere is booked. Tables are all booked and all that. So even right now, as you speak, we've got just about 5 tables to go. The rest all is booked. So if somebody want to come, for you to stand, you better book table and then and get yourself comfortable and enjoy your night with Kwabena Kwabena. Yeah.
Mr. Posh, I want you to add up. So the table, what goes into the selection? I mean, giving table A 1K, 2K, what goes into you guys deciding, okay, this table, we are taking this amount of money, this table, we are taking this amount of money? Because I can see it's really, really, really cool, but can you give us further explanation why you are taking certain amount for certain tables?
Okay. Just like you said, to have that one-on-one experience, with the artist. So we designated some tables which are in front, with some prizes, which the 10,000, the 8,000, the 6,000, and we have tents, like we call them cubanas. We have tents. Also, we had each of the tents have a prize to them. So you can come with a limited amount of friends. You don't have to pay the gate. You just come there, pay for the table, or you order for a reserve for the table, and each table comes with an amount of drinks, which suffice for the amount of the table. So once you're on this table, if it's a 6,000 table, it has drinks worth of 6,000. If you're in a 1,000 table, it has drinks worth of 1,000. But also, each table has limited amount of people to access in. Okay. Just like you said, table for 2 is 1,000. Table for 4, 2,000. Table for 6, 3, 4, just until 10,000. Okay. So yeah,
that's very interesting. Any final words, like Mr. Michael, Mr. Posh, you want to tell? I mean, your people out there. I mean, the people who want to come and support, come to Portions Garden and have fun and enjoy themselves. What do you want to tell them on the 26th December 2023?
Right. Yes, I think it's a place for everybody to come in and enjoy it. And I also like to say that Jagermeister, they've been very wonderful supporting the local bars. I keep saying that what they do, they come and support, do some few things for you, and support the bars. I mean, the local ones, for us to grow. So in fact, I really appreciate them. And also to the people out there, I just want you guys to come. We are not that expensive. Everybody can come and get something. That is why people are calling, why is your table 1,000 cedis? You can imagine, table 1,000, you are going to get black label, Table 1,005, you get black label and some other drinks in addition. Table 2,000, you're going to get Hennessy VSOP. Come on, it's very cheap. So we make it affordable for everybody. And again, I just want to say again that Portion branch is coming up at Royal Senchi. That is going to be massive also. So I just want the fans to look forward for that. Okay. We're going to launch that very soon. Okay. Big place. Next door to Royal Senchi, so he's coming on board. So
nice talking to you, Mr. Michael, CEO of Portions Garden and manager for Portions Garden, Mr. Posh. Nice having a great conversation with you guys. See you on the 26th of December. We're going to have fun, enjoy ourselves. I go by the name Mac Moulton, twice ice, nice as ice. Peace. We out. Salute.